Hi, this is Aquaman at AquaFarmacy.com, giving you a quick guided tour of a project that we just completed for a customer. This customer requested 2 IBC systems, one of them in a greenhouse and another one just located out in the open. Both tank systems, tank system 2 and 1 that's around the corner, along with the vertical garden and the feeder fish pod, are being supplied by a 1000 GPH pump. This customer requested the garden room so they could get a head start on some of their crops during the winter. As you can see, this tank's not insulated. It can be 100% isolated from tank 1. As you can see, we just brought the pipes from behind the system, ran them along their fence line and to tank 1. Customer also requested a swirl filter and a 90-liter air pump to supply both system 1 and 2 along with the feeder fish growing pod. Let me open this up for you. There is the 90-liter air pump, along with the swirl filter. We also did a redundancy backup on the overflow. You might be able to see it. That way, just in case the standpipe, primary standpipe, were to get clogged, we would have a auxiliary standpipe to keep the filter running. Again, both tank system 1 and 2 are IBC conversions. We also requested the drip halo system in the top. We installed an emergency low water cutoff switch, which is located right here. You might be able to see the swirl filter return coming in the corner, and there's the main dump, the grow bed, and over in that corner is the return line for the vertical garden. Got 2 large catfish in there. The vertical garden also runs off of the 1000 GPH pump. You can hear it running. Comes up to the top through these series of pipes, and just to see how the system runs and to get things running, where you can see here we're growing some garlic, and of course the radishes are doing also very well, and it's plumbed into a feeder fish growing pod that also has duckweed in it. Just lift the lid up there for you to see. And if the sun gets too hot, we have a sunshade for the fish. So there you have it, a completed system. 2 IBC systems, independent, one in a grow house, the other one outside, both being cleaned by this swirl filter, and all tied in, and all can be isolated based on the customer's needs. So there you have it. If you have any questions, send me an email at farmer@aquapharmacy.com.